Hey there, Mernush here, your guide from Ross IELTS Academy. Today I have something eye-opening to share with you about IELTS Writing Task 2 that you might have never paid much attention to before. We are going to dive into the crucial steps you should take before even putting pen to paper or fingers to keyboard. Yes, you heard me right. You might be wondering, do I really need to take steps before writing my essay? I only have 40 minutes to complete this task, and it needs to be a minimum of 250 words. Well, my friends, that's precisely why these steps are so important. How can you write an impactful essay if you don't have a clear direction or if you don't know what you want to say? So before you start writing, let's explore these essential steps together. By the way, don't forget that we are here to support you every step of the way. If you're looking for expert guidance and feedback, make sure to check out our writing correction service on our website, www.rossielts.com. You can simply submit your writing, and our experienced examiners will provide you with detailed written feedback based on the criteria. And that reveals techniques that you can apply to achieve your target score in no time. All right, let's not waste any more time. Get ready to discover the crucial steps you need to take before writing your Writing Task 2 essay. Let's jump right in. As you know, in Writing Task 2, you will have to write an essay about different question types. The first and most important thing is to identify what question type you are dealing with so that you can apply the correct structure for it. There are 6 different question types in Task 2. The first one is opinion question or agree-disagree question. You can also have discussion question, advantages and disadvantages, problems and solutions or causes and solutions, double questions, and direct questions. No matter which of these question types you face, you always need to take some steps before you start writing about them. Step number 1, question analysis. This is the first thing you should do. It means that you need to read the question statement very carefully to fully understand it. Let's look at an example. Here we have a task 2 question. The question statement says, scientists and technology experts seem to be more valued by modern society than musicians and artists. We are also asked a question related to this question statement, which says, to what extent do you agree or disagree? When you see the question, the first thing is to read it very carefully to fully understand what question type it is and what you're asked to write about. Meanwhile, you should underline the keywords in the question statement, which here are scientists, technology experts, valued, modern society, musicians, and artists. These are the keywords. It means that they have the main information of the whole sentence, and we should be careful to directly talk about them throughout the whole essay. The second step is brainstorming. What is brainstorming? Simply put, brainstorming is to come up with ideas you want to write about. To understand it better, let me give you an example. Suppose you are not on the test day struggling with the writing. Instead, you are sitting in a cafe with your friend talking about this and that. Now, there is a newspaper next to you and a sentence attracts your attention. Scientists and technology experts seem to be more valued by modern society than musicians and artists. After reading the sentence, you start talking about it with your friend. Your friend is in favor of the idea and says that he thinks it's true, as in today's world, we need more scientists compared to artists and musicians to have a better life. However, you disagree with it since you have seen so many famous musicians that are known and valued by people around the world. See? You easily started to think about different ideas, analyzing the two sides of the statement. Therefore, you should do the same thing at time of brainstorming on exam day. Don't complicate it. You just need to make up some relevant ideas even if you don't personally agree or disagree with them. Take 2 to 3 minutes to brainstorm before you start writing. You shouldn't only think about them and start the text right away. Take your time to write them on a paper. Otherwise, you will forget them at time of writing the paragraphs. If you immediately start writing the essay, you may have some ideas for the first few lines, but in the middle of the text, you will run out of ideas and lose time. However, if you brainstorm, you would be able to manage your time better because you already know what you want to write about and the structure you should apply, so you won't get stressed. Now that we know how to analyze the question, circle the keywords and brainstorm, we are ready to write. Here is the general structure we should apply in all question types for Task 2 essay. First, you can have the introduction paragraph, which is in 2 to 3 sentences. Then you have the body paragraph, like the first body paragraph, which is in 3 to 5 sentences. Then the second body paragraph, which is again in 3 to 5 sentences. And finally, the conclusion paragraph is in 2 to 3 sentences. Congratulations on completing this informative video where we explore the diverse question types in Task 2 and the essential steps to take before diving into writing. You now have a solid foundation to approach your essay with confidence. Thank you for joining us until the end of this video. Remember to stay tuned for more engaging content. Keep practicing, keep pushing yourself, and I look forward to seeing you in our upcoming videos. Until then, take care, stay motivated, and never stop striving for excellence. See you very soon.
In this course, you will have a series of educational videos in which you will learn each and every tip you will